We're here at China Schools Forest. What? So this is the map right here, the trailhead right by the school. And if you look, there are actually maps right in here too that you could take. Hey Moosey, this is Moose. Oh gosh, oh gosh. So this trail is gonna be a little special because we get Moose here with us. He's my parents' new puppy. So this is a storybook trail. There's a couple of the storybook pages as you progress down the trail. And you can read the story as you go. Moosey, 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 Moosey. So because this trail is maintained by the schools and the town, there's the school right there, there's a playground right behind it, and the trail butts up against it. So there's a lot of educational things in here for kids. It's just a really interesting trail. It's different. So we found a pavilion in here, and there's an area that's all roped off all along here because there's gonna be some lady slippers in here, which is a rare Maine flower.
Remember, I can't run, but I can walk slowly.
Like a serial killer in a horror movie.
Right.
Uh-oh, Maddie. You're right by Mama Bear with her cubs.
Daddy, they're not real.
Oh, good. Phew.
Names on it.
This is pretty cool. This section is all pretty much birch trees.
Oh, this is not trained.
Look at this. Somebody stole me lucky scarf.
What's that?
Look, Maddie. It's a bobcat. Look.
Oh, muskrat.
Whoa.
The jumper.
Oh no, it's flooded.
You ready?
Oh, almost broke that board.
Oh, this is cool. It's a bridge, guys. So the girls have made a little tree maze in here, apparently.
Yeah, it's like there's a little clearing between them.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
I'm right here.
The gathering place. Yeah.
Driveway, what you got?
Applesauce.
Yummy.
Yes. And we are almost at a tree house.
You excited to go to the treehouse?
Yes!
Hey, Maddie, here.
Boy, he's a friend.
I give you the scroll.
Yeah, just like you.
All right.
It's a special scroll.
Let me read it.
Yeah.
It's out of camp. Always have black campers. Love every single cat, even if they're bad. Love God. And it's yay! I love this show because it has a tree house.
To the treehouse! Check it out what I found. It's a camera. Hello. Look, it's granite blocks. Smooth.
It's a geology station.
Another cool sitting area. All of these stump seats. So today we're here in China. I've been to a lot of towns. I have to tell you, China's the best. I would know. It's China. So this is kind of cool. You've got an I Spy game where you have all of these birds that they've painted, and you look through the fence and try to find the birds. I found a crow! It's a cool little house though. There's all the birds that are painted all around. Do you guys feel that? It's raining. We gotta get to shelter.
I see a shelter.
Quick, let's get to shelter. Shelter!
Nothing.
We found the treehouse.
Everybody keep going here.
Gotta get in because it's raining. Oh, we made it into the treehouse. Hey, Moosey.
Daddy, I'm a cat. I'm not a monkey.
I'm just kidding.
Hi, Daddy.
17. That's 7. You're good. 8, 9, 30.
Moosey, 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 Moosey.
There you go.
So this tree, why it's like has so many stumps is because when it was a sapling, bugs attacked it, and then it attacked a stump, and so its branches grew into the stump, and that just grew up like this.
Nice.
Well, but people built the treehouse.
They found.
What are you getting?
No, Mama, this is a newborn cat, so that's a carry.
What bench? That one?
That one.
Juicy Chris. Or come see me.
It's double
Oh, that's right. Come this way.
So what do you think of this trail?
Me?
Yeah.
I think it's fun. It's cute. I love the treehouse.
Perfect.
I want to spend the night.
You want to spend the night? I think the camera over there
That would be great.
might have something else to say about that.
They'd be spying on us all night. That's crazy.
And then we're gonna go. Now go ahead and go through the tree forest.
Hi. Here we go. In the tree house. No, it's a tree maze. Yeah, it's a tree maze. Here, turn it around like this. Look, go to a tree maze. A tree maze got lots of things, so it's not clear. This is not a clear thing. We're making it clear. Yeah, so people can come here. Much people can come. Yeah. Sticks in the pit. Sticks. Easy way. Easy way. Easy way. Can do a whole thing, Daddy. Yes? clear thing.
All good, Ryan?
I want to do more.
Check out this overflow well.
What's over there?
There's a huge rock wall.
But I mean, what? Very good.
Ryan, a treadmill.
Hello, Rai.
Hello. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. Goodbye.
Hello.
So that's it for our time here at China Schools Forest. And it was a cool forest, had a lot of really interesting things for kids to go see and hang out. It's a great way to get outside. It's very educational, great place to come. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Moose, what do you say? Huh?
Cheese.
What do you say?
Cheese.
We're here at China Schools Forest. China Schools Forest? China School Forest?
Take a video of that.
Right in the middle of the trail. All that excitement leads to Tootsie Rolls.
You gotta go, you gotta go.
Hello.
Oh gosh,
It's a moose one.
it's a moose.